It's Jay Green with GW Private Capital and Repair to Sell. I wanted to share with you a recent success project I did with a realtor. This property behind me, I'm in Long Beach. That property recently sold for $675,000. That property would not have sold anywhere near that selling price had I not got involved with the realtor and worked with the homeowner to fix up his property and work with him through his situation. He was on a forbearance plan. He was pretty distraught, didn't know what to do. A cash buyer like We Buy Ugly Houses group had actually referred the opportunity to my friend Paul Crabb, realtor. The property owner wanted to leave the property with $200,000 in his pocket. And had he sold it to a cash investor, he would have maybe put $40,000, $50,000 after paying off his existing mortgage, all selling costs. So one of my investors put up $90,000. With that money, we repaired the property. I brought in one of my contractors who worked alongside of the realtor who acted as project manager, and I was involved as well. And we repaired that property to a turnkey condition. So anyways, that property closed about a week ago for $675,000. That's the power of repair to sell and using private money and having trust in people that know what they're doing and can get things done and help homeowners. So if you're a property owner, a realtor, a loan officer, an investor, and you need some guidance, resources as far as capital, people you can trust, I'm your guy, Jay Green. My phone number is 714-747-1912. And it's scenarios like this that I'm very, very good at. I do a lot of first mortgages, second mortgages, third mortgages. Sometimes I can defer. In this case, he didn't make any payments. When he paid the loan off, he paid the interest payments. So if you're looking to buy a property or you need to sell something for top selling price and you're in a situation like this, maybe you're behind on payments, you're overwhelmed and you don't know what to do, give me a call, Jay Green, GW Private Capital, Repair to Sell, 714-747-1912. I also buy properties with cash. I can close very quickly. So if you want to sell your property and you want a honest, fair cash offer, keep me in mind as well. And thank you very much for thinking of me. And I look forward to helping you accomplish your selling goals or your purchasing goals or wherever you need some private capital. Thanks for thinking of me.